Hello, I'm Jeff Gray, Director of Sales for Superior Industries. We're here at CONEXPO 2026 in Las Vegas. This morning I'm going to show you around our newly launched or relaunched self-contained portable radial stacker. This model is a 36 by 80 foot. We also offer it in 100 foot lengths. This year we took the machine through a series of updates to improve our competitiveness and try to meet all the needs of the market with this machine. So it kind of starts around the power plant. So we moved to a power plant brand that is easily serviced throughout North America. The brand is Yanmar. This is a 49 horsepower on the 36 by 80 machine. The beauty of this is that Yanmar provides over 1,100 service centers throughout the United States. So from a customer support standpoint, we felt like they elevated to the top. Other things on the machine we looked at were the standard folding head end. That was an option in the past. It's standard now. We optimized the weight for road travel and portability. On the tail end of the machine, we included an optional folding tail hopper. This would allow the machine to be fed with a small loader. It increases the flexibility. It's an option, so as a dealer they could stock the machine without the folding tail hopper and add it at a later date. So you can see the hydraulic cylinders there to actuate the wings. The machine in a dealer inventory, it provides a lot of flexibility in how it can be used in the market. It can be used in municipal operations, in aggregate operations, in roadside construction, development sites for buildings or data centers. It's a great tool that has a lot of uses in any operation. One other feature that we designed into the machine is the ability to extend over 21 degrees to build the largest stockpile possible. Many materials that we process in Stockpile can pile up and can convey at over 20 degrees, so we are adding that ability into this design. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out our website for all the information on the self-contained portable radial stacker. Thank you.